Hello, in this video I will show you how you can hide photos and videos on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to open the photos and from here go to albums and go to private, and now you have to set a privacy password first. So let's set the password and click use. Also you have to confirm that, and you have to select security settings or recovery email or question. So let's take question for example, and here you can select between uh, questions that you want to answer in the security question. So for example, let's take former teacher name and whatever, because I will show you this for example, so you have to do it normally, of course. So now I am in the private folder. So from here I can add videos and pictures. So I can select it now, select as set as private over here, and now it's successfully set as private. So now when you want to go to this album, just simply open the photos, go to albums, and here you can find private folder. So just simply have to you have to you have to type password over here. So now basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.